Hello students, welcome to my channel and you are watching the Ultimate English Teacher and Lecturer. So today we will discuss about some more extra question answer of the portrait of the lady class 10 CBSE class 11. So listen the question answers carefully. Question number 11, because in my previous video I have uploaded the first 10 extra question answers, so you can see that, you will get that in my link. And so question number 11, grandmother has been portrayed as a very religious lady. What details in the story create this impression? She visited the temple. Answer: she visited the temple every morning, read scriptures. Full stop. At home she always mumbled inaudible prayers and kept telling the beads of rosary. Full stop. She would repeat prayers in a sing-song manner while getting the narrators ready for school. Full stop. All these details create the impression that she was a religious lady. Question number 12. The grandmother had a divine beauty. How does the author bring this out? The grandmother had a divine beauty. How does the author bring this out? The grandmother's answer: the grandmother's silvery locks scattered untidily over the pale, wrinkled face. This made her look like an expanse of pure white serenity. Full stop. She had a divine beauty. Full stop. She looked like the winter landscape in the mountains. Question number 13. What proofs do you find of the friendship between grandmother and grandson in the story? Answer: the grandmother was closely related or attached to the narrator in his childhood. Full stop. She woke him, got him ready and took him to school. Full stop. She prepared his wooden slate. Full stop. She waited in the temple while he studied in school. Full stop. They returned home together. Full stop. Question number 14. The grandmother was a kind-hearted woman. Give example in support of your answer. Answer: grandmother had a very kind heart. Full stop. She loved her grandson. Full stop. She loved even birds and animals. Full stop. In the village, she fed the street dogs. Full stop. In the city, she would feed the sparrows. So these sentences proves that grandmother was a very kind-hearted woman. Question number 15. That was a turning point in our friendship. What was the turning point? Answer: the turning point in their friendship came when they shifted to the city. Now, the narrator went to an English school in a bus. Grandmother could no longer accompany him to school, although they started the same room. Although they shared the same room. They shared the same room. They saw less of each other, even they talked less to each other or with each other. Okay students, that's it for today. You will get the few extra question answers from the portrait of the lady in my next video. So don't forget to subscribe and push the bell icon, and you will get the next question very soon.